Mbongeni Mtshali is the principal at Biographical High School. He upgraded the school from a junior secondary to a high school, and subsequent to this upgrade, mobilized the community to get new classes. In 1994, the Department of Education heeded his call for 16 additional classes with the administration block. Within 2 weeks of starting, he introduced his turnaround strategy. By opening the school at 5 in the morning and closing late into the evening every day, a school which had been ravaged by ill discipline and chaos saw its first matric class registering a 99% pass rate. Biographical High School has had pass rates of between 93 and 100% ever since.